We the best, no contest. My clique is the best. We the there ain't no one like cause of you dumb or you crazy. There's no wagey. My clique be handling biz while you and your clique just act fugazi.
Did you see that game? Jacksonville does it again. Another W for the Jaguars. I'm telling you, this team is on fire.
No contest.
And let's talk about the main man, Trevor Lawrence. We can officially stop using the word promising when we talk about him. The time is right. He's not just a franchise quarterback anymore. He's elite.